welcome to the Tranont Compliance Training. I'm Emily Peterson, the Director of Compliance for Tranont. This training is about the product information kits. These are really great sources of information for you to learn about the products and to learn what compliant claims you can make about the products. The product information kits include general information, frequently asked questions, the claims guidelines, that's the compliance piece, and label information. That is really valuable. If you have any customers that are concerned about what ingredients are in the products, that's all on that label information page. These product information kits are available in the app, so you can always find them there. Here's an example of the Clear product information kit, the approved claims page that talks about everything you can say, the do say section, and then over there on the right, the don't say, and kind of gives you some guidelines of, things to steer away from, but lots of things we can say, lots of claims you can make about the products. It includes that you can talk about it helping to prevent muscle loss when used after a workout, that it can aid in weight management, that it's effective for muscle protein synthesis. These are all really great claims that people will love to hear about our wonderful whey protein product. For Clear Plus, you can see that because of that added natural energy, that natural caffeine that is in Clear Plus, you can see that do say list is even longer for the Clear Plus product. Then once again, over on the right, you can see that don't say. So those are things you're going to want to steer away from you're talking about Clear Plus. For creatine, here's the example of the claims guidelines page from that product information kit for creatine. Again, we have a lengthy list of things that you can say about creatine that are going to be completely compliant. They're claims that you can feel completely confident in making. And For Her, our great product to deal with menopause and perimenopausal symptoms. And that has been such a successful product. Everyone really loves it. And you can see that we have a very long list of things that you can say about For Her. So again, these are really great sources of information to educate yourself about the products. You can answer questions from your customers, and so you can learn what compliant claims you can make about the products. Again, the product information kits are available in the app, and then also you can always contact us if you have any questions about a claim that you can make. And those product information kits, we are getting them for every single product. We're getting them updated, complete for every product, and they're going to be available on the app. If you have any questions, compliance@tranont.com, and then those product information kits, make sure you check for them in the app. Thank you.